Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create memorable information on Halifax. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first of all access a particular Halifax on your mobile app just right over here. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So if you would like to create a memorable information on Halifax, the thing that you have to make sure of is that you have to create yourself an account or get yourself signed up if you would like to do so. So for that, we're gonna access it and tap on this let's get you sign in option if you're already customer. So for us, we're gonna tap on this open a bank account with us to start. Now tap on this accept all and let's wait for a while. And now we're gonna go ahead tap on this no, since we are not, no, and tap on this continue option afterwards. And now we have to enter our first name, middle name, last name as it asks for our gender. And then we're gonna add our number and we can choose our country just right from over here, and we're gonna add our email address over here. And then we have to add in our correct date of birth and our country, and then tap on this add another nationality if you have, otherwise tap on this continue. Once you're done signing up, right away you will find this option of creating yourself your memorable information, and that will be used whenever you log in or sign in here in Halifax. And that is the possible way for you to do so, and simply you can do it just like by signing in. So that is it guys, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.